Good evening. My name is Alexis Fuller, and I will be presenting Professional Teaching Standards. The objective of this presentation is to discuss the commonality of the NTAS standards and the NSTA, National Science Teachers Association, and Association for Science Teachers Education. Standards ensure better accountability. Educators are upheld to these standards to ensure suitable education is being provided. Introduction. The NTAS standards outlines the expectations of every teacher, while the NSTA/ASTE standards outline the expectations of science teachers only. The NTAS standards are set in place to ensure teachers are well-rounded and are adequate to provide the necessary and specialized instructions while still maintaining professionalism and professional development. The NSTA/ASTE standards are set in place to ensure science teachers are providing the proper instructions to ensure students are able to identify important disciplinary core ideas, cross-cutting concepts, and science and engineer practices. Common theme number 1, comparing Standard 1 of NTAS standards and Standard 2 of the NSTA/ASTE. The common theme of both standards is the expectation of an effective teacher to provide lesson plans tailored to the students' learning habits. Because all students are different, so are their learning styles. Some students will prefer visual learning while others may like auditory learning. Another group may prefer learning by doing. The relation to the knowledge, skills, and values of effective teachers. An effective teacher must possess the knowledge of content to provide instruction that is differentiated based on the various learning styles of students. In order to respond to the growing academic diversity in classrooms, teachers must recognize that their students have different needs and commit to differentiating instructions accordingly. Educators should possess the disposition that all students can learn and should set and support realistic expectations for student success. Every student has the capability of learning as long as the instruction is tailored to their needs and learning abilities. Common theme number 2, comparing Standard 4 of the NTAS standards to Standard 6 of the NSTA/ASTE standards. Effective teachers are expected to be willing to improve knowledge based on the content and the various methods of teaching. This will create learning experiences for the students to thrive and exceed in. The relation to knowledge, skills, and values of effective teachers. Effective teachers must be willing to adapt as the culture of students and the world evolves. Improving one's knowledge, whether it is based on content or pedagogy, will support the skill of providing various methods of providing instruction. Collaboration. There is no education without collaboration. The NTAS standards provides the numerous ways an effective teacher collaborates within his or her career. This includes collaborating with learners, families, and colleagues, providing a collaborative learning environment. The NSTA/AST standard states that an effective teacher provides a variety of opportunities to investigate, collaborate, and defend their own explanations of their scientific observations. Data-driven instruction. The teacher understands and uses multiple methods of assessments to engage learners in their own growth, to monitor learning progress, and to guide the teachers in learners' decision-making. Collect, organize, analyze, and reflect on formative and summative evidence, and use those data to inform future planning and teaching. Both standards explain that effective teachers must use data from assessments, formative and summative, in order to track students' growth in future teaching. Teacher expectations. Teachers are expected to work with and share responsibility with their colleagues, administrators, and school leaders as they work together to improve the climate for their learning environment. This includes actively engaging in efforts to build a shared vision and supportive school culture, establish mutual expectations and ongoing communication with families, and involve the community in meeting common goals. And here are my references in APA format. Thank you so much and have a good day.